Dear colleagues, good day. Please let me introduce you Advertising Management for Local Authorities software on 1C Enterprise 8 platform. This software helps local authorities keep accounting of advertising spaces, lease contracts, permission documents for ad construction installation, create payment schedules, and monitor receivables from leaseholders. You can create contracts, invoices, certificates of services rendered, and reconciliation reports. In the catalog of ad spaces, you can fill in the address, scheme number, construction type, and its geographical coordinates. On a separate tab, you can add an image of the ad space. Information about leaseholders, including their contact information, a list of contact persons, contracts, and bank accounts, is stored in the catalog of counterparties. Printout forms of contracts are filled in automatically according to the data from the counterparty profile. You can add any number of contact templates into the software. There's a special document for registering the issuance of permission for ad construction installation. It is required to fill in the counterparty, contract, ad space, payment amount, and validity period of the permission. When the permission has been issued, you create a document which is called ad construction installation, which registers the fact that the construction has been installed. Ad construction demolition document will register the demolition of the construction. To make a schedule of payments to be received from leaseholders and to create a schedule for issuing sales documents, there's a schedule of payments and realization module. On the basis of the contract, the system automatically selects ad spaces for which permit documents have already been issued and sets the period for creating payment schedule. A list of payments for the entire period of the contract will be created automatically in the Payment Schedule tab. Here you can also create commercial invoices for rent payments. In the same way, a list of sales documents to be issued will be created in the Delivery Schedule tab. The receipt of payment from a leaseholder is registered in the system by a money receipt document. It is created on the basis of a commercial invoice or payment and delivery schedule, and also can be created manually. Penalty module will automatically calculate penalty fees for overdue rent payments. You just need to select the counterparty, contract, and set the period which penalty fees are to be calculated for. The software will check if there are any overdue payments and accrue penalty fees according to the rate stated in the contract. In case of social ad placements, the software will recalculate rent payments for leaseholders automatically. This recalculation is performed in the document called Rent Payment Adjustment. The software also features an account reconciliation report, which shows all accruals, payments, penalties, and adjustments. Any document created in the software can be printed out, saved in Excel or PDF format, as well as sent by email directly from the software interface. Flexible reports on different accounting items allow you to get comprehensive data on the state of affairs in your organization. For example, information about the quantity of ad spaces leased to a certain leaseholder, which constructions have been installed, deadlines of installation permit documents, information about debts or overpayments, deadlines of lease contracts and installation permit documents, and finally the dates of social ad placements of counterparties. For detailed information about the software, please visit our website.